If you've ever stood over the stove waiting for eggs to boil, only to end up with cracked shells, overcooked yolks, or a pot that's boiled dry, you're definitely not alone. Making something as simple as eggs can be surprisingly inconsistent. That's where the Bella electric egg cooker comes in. It promises perfectly cooked eggs with almost no effort, but is it actually worth adding to your kitchen? Today, we're taking a closer look to find out. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The Bella electric egg cooker is built for busy families, meal preppers, students, and anyone who wants a quick, reliable way to cook eggs without constantly watching the stove. It handles much more than just hard-boiled eggs, letting you prepare soft-boiled eggs, medium-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, omelets, steamed vegetables, and even dumplings. Instead of using multiple pots and pans, everything happens inside one compact appliance, making breakfast simpler and cleanup much easier. The first thing you'll notice is its compact design. Despite taking up very little counter space, it has enough capacity to cook up to 14 eggs at once using its double-stack tray system. That's especially useful if you're meal prepping for the week or making breakfast for several people. The blossom finish adds a bright, modern look that feels more decorative than purely functional, while the clear domed lid allows you to watch the cooking process without lifting the cover and releasing steam. It feels lightweight but well assembled, and the stainless steel heating plate gives confidence that it's designed for regular daily use. Using the cooker couldn't be much simpler. The included measuring cup clearly marks the water level needed for soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, removing the guesswork that often leads to inconsistent results. It also includes a built-in egg-piercing pin, which helps reduce the chance of shells cracking during cooking. Once you've added the correct amount of water and loaded the eggs, all that's left is pressing the power button and letting the machine do the work. The built-in thermal sensor automatically shuts the unit off once the water has evaporated, helping prevent overcooking without requiring constant attention. In real-world use, that's probably the biggest advantage. Instead of setting timers and checking pots every few minutes, you can prepare toast, coffee, or get ready for work while the egg cooker finishes the job. Whether you're making a quick breakfast before leaving the house or preparing several days of protein-rich snacks for meal prep, the process feels effortless. Since the appliance operates quietly, it easily fits into busy morning routines without creating unnecessary noise or distraction. Cleaning is refreshingly easy as well. The egg holder, poaching tray, omelet tray, measuring cup, and lid are all dishwasher safe, which saves time after cooking. Even if you prefer washing by hand, the smooth surfaces rinse clean with very little effort. There's also a convenient cord storage feature that keeps the countertop looking tidy when the cooker isn't being used, making it ideal for smaller kitchens where every inch of space matters. Of course, there are a few things worth considering before buying. While the appliance is excellent for eggs and light steaming, it isn't designed to replace larger steamers or multi-cookers for bigger meals. The heating plate may also develop mineral buildup over time if you regularly use hard water, so occasional descaling is part of normal maintenance. These aren't major drawbacks, but they're worth keeping in mind for long-term ownership. Overall, the Bella electric egg cooker delivers exactly what most people want: consistently cooked eggs, quick preparation, easy cleanup, and everyday convenience in a compact package. It removes much of the frustration from one of the most common breakfast foods, while adding enough versatility to justify its place on your countertop. If this review helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check the link in the description for today's latest price. If you're planning to upgrade your breakfast routine, it's worth seeing whether it's currently available at a discount before the offer changes.